December 21st, 2008, winter solstice, Portland, Oregon, 3-day snowstorm. You'll notice that our walkways, there's actually 3 steps under here, hence 1, 2, yeah, it's pretty crazy. I'd say a good foot of snow. Everybody's hunkered down. Very cold, very cold. Not many people out. Portland's requiring people to drive only with chains on their tires. This is my car. Can you see it? Can you see it? See on the ledges of the neighbor's house, all the snow. Being from Alabama, this isn't what I'm used to, but it's really super cool. I'm really enjoying it. Haven't been able to work for a few days, but that's okay. It'll be there when I need it. All right, bye.